today we're doing a travel vlog and we're in Vegas. That's right, we spending the weekend in Vegas. You see I got the bottles. We celebrating a birthday. We're staying at the Luxor Hotel. We're gonna have fun this weekend. This is day one. We just settling in. We ain't really do nothing. We just kind of, threw our luggage in here. Tomorrow, we probably gonna hit the gym, probably hit the pool, and then do some other fun stuff. So stay tuned, all right?
I just learned from my community's consequences. It's comprehensive. Half of my brothers never learned their lessons. Gemini, so it's like two of me living life in this industry.
Yesterday, we were at our pool at our hotel. Today, we decided to check out the pool at the hotel next door, the Mandalay. So what you're about to see right now, it looks like they have like a beach slash pool type of thing. We're gonna check it out and stay tuned for like more footage. It's a beach slash pool. I know it's about to be nice.
Right.
Guys, if you like warm weather, man, the weather out here has been pretty good, and it kind of reminds me of LA. Like at nighttime it gets kind of chilly, but during the day it's hot. Like right now it's like 70 something. So it's a good day to go to the beach or pool or whatever. Get in the water, get your feet wet. So yeah, if you like good weather, man, Vegas is definitely the spot. It's more chill. The other one was like way more packed. Look at the water. photo shoot by the pool. I'm here to update y'all again. So far, we pretty much walked around the strip. We went to the LINQ, which is another hotel, and they got like casino and everything inside of there. That was fun. What else we do out here in Vegas? We drove around. We had basically a birthday party in the hotel room, so I'll throw some shots of that up so y'all can see what that looked like. But yeah, it was like a 2-person birthday party. Like, we had cake, we had cupcakes, everything. But other than that, I mean, we still got a bunch of stuff left to do. So we're gonna keep you guys updated. And yeah, I'm trying to get some drone shots so y'all can see like the views out here. The views look crazy. But so far, Vegas has been good. It's been really good. They got the poppies out here.
You got a tattoo first.
Yeah, I know.
Are you gonna tattoo?
Hell no. That guy was bumping. I don't know what type of massage this is or what they're doing, but this looks like a chemistry project. What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas, I guess. Oh yeah, this is what y'all was waiting for, the views. Las Vegas Strip views.
I need a GoPro on my forehead for a bit. But I did get one. It was like a cheaper version of one.
Yeah. Oh.
So yeah, I had one. It had a little tripod. I would post it right there. And
Right.
Play professional stuff.
Oh, that's what's up.
I worked at a spray paint company right by the Fat Burger. You know what that?
Yeah, I think I seen it. Yeah.
Did you see the spray paint?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's us.
Oh, okay.
We can do custom stuff, and you guys check us out.
Nah, yeah, for sure.
You know, like between 20 and 40, 50 bucks, depending.
Yeah, we be over there. We just getting some food right now.
Yeah, enjoy, man. I'm off, so I guess.
Oh, all right.
And whatnot. Yeah.
No problem. A bunch of people walking around. Everything's open. Well, most places are open. Some places are still closed. But I finally feel like we got some space. Like, we was just in a bunch of crowd of people, and I feel like there's no real social distancing in Vegas like that. Or maybe they're not like as strict with it. We got like reservations at this place called Nacho Daddy. It's like a Mexican restaurant, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, Vegas is really just a vibe. Like, if you want to chill, you can come out here and chill. If you want to party, you can come out here and party and drink. But really, it's like the best of both worlds. So if you're someone who likes to chill, just want to come out, have a place to relax, that's cool too. But if you like to be in the mix, trust me, there's people out here in the mix. There we go. Yeah. Thank you.
Josamar,
hey.
love you, lady.
Sir.
Happy birthday.